everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this delicious banana bread that is moist and loaded with ripe bananas and chocolate chip bits. Okay, so first we're going to start with mixing up the streusel topping by adding 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, so once this is all mixed up, we're going to set it aside in a separate bowl and set it in the fridge. Using the same mixer, we're going to add in our 4 ripe bananas, next we'll add in 1/3 cup of melted butter or margarine, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of egg replacer, a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that up on medium speed. We'll add in a 1.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and add in our 1/2 cup of chip bits. We'll stir that up. Now we're going to spray our pan before we put in the batter. Once you've got all the batter in the baking pan, we are going to sprinkle a layer of the streusel topping on top of the banana bread. Just like this. And bake in the oven at 350 for 55 minutes. Okay, so once you remove the banana bread from the oven, let it cool for about 10 minutes before taking it out of the pan. My kitchen smells so amazing right now. This banana bread is so moist and delicious, and it has that crunch coming from the streusel topping. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up below and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video.